1962, the height of the Cold War. A time when the world stood on the brink of nuclear annihilation, and governments were willing to go to extraordinary lengths to gain an edge over their adversaries. It was during this tense period that a shocking discovery was made in the barren desert landscape of Utah, the remnants of a secret Cold War-era experiment, one so strange and unprecedented, it defies belief. The story begins with the establishment of the United States' largest underground nuclear testing facility, the infamous Area 51, located deep within the Nevada test site. Officially, this top-secret base was used to develop and test new generations of nuclear weapons, but whispers of something far more sinister began to emerge from within its heavily guarded borders. Rumors circulated of a bizarre subterranean experiment conducted by the US military in collaboration with a shadowy group of scientists. They spoke of an elaborate network of tunnels and chambers hidden beneath the desert, designed to house a vast array of scientific equipment and instruments. But what were they trying to achieve? What secrets lay buried beneath the sands of Utah? It wasn't until many years later that the truth began to emerge. In 1999, declassified documents revealed the existence of Project Panda, a top-secret research initiative aimed at harnessing the power of cold fusion. The project was headed by Dr. Martin Fleischmann and Dr. Stanley Pons, two esteemed electrochemists who had stunned the scientific world just 7 years earlier with their controversial claim to have achieved cold fusion in a laboratory setting. Despite widespread skepticism from the scientific community, the US military saw potential in the pair's research and provided them with the resources and funding to conduct further experiments at Area 51. The goal? To develop a clean, limitless source of energy that could power everything from aircraft carriers to entire cities. But as the team delved deeper into their research, they began to encounter strange and inexplicable phenomena. Unusual readings on their equipment, unexplained fluctuations in temperature and pressure, and most alarmingly, signs of spontaneous nuclear reactions occurring within the confines of their experimental apparatus. As the situation grew more perilous, the military began to lose control of the experiment, fearing an uncontrolled nuclear chain reaction that could threaten the safety of the base and perhaps even the entire region. They made the decision to shut down Project Panda and seal off the underground facility. Today, the true extent of the project's findings remains shrouded in mystery. The declassified documents provide only tantalizing glimpses into the strange world of cold fusion research, leaving us with more questions than answers. What really happened beneath the sands of Utah all those years ago, and what secrets still lie hidden within the depths of Area 51? The truth may never be known. But one thing is certain, the story of Project Panda and its strange, secretive Cold War-era experiment will continue to captivate and intrigue us for generations to come. 1967, the height of the Cold War. Amidst escalating tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union, a clandestine project was launched in the remote desert expanses of Utah, codenamed Project Panda. The nature of this experiment, shrouded in secrecy for decades, has only recently begun to unravel, revealing a tangled web of government agencies and eccentric scientists. At the heart of it all stood the enigmatic Dr. Walter T. Brown, a physicist known for his unconventional approaches to plasma physics. Employed by the United States Navy's China Lake Naval Weapons Center, Dr. Brown was granted unprecedented freedom to explore the frontiers of electromagnetic research. This led him to develop an extraordinary machine, the Plasma Physics Accelerator for Non-Destructive Destruction. Officially, Panda aimed to investigate controlled fusion reactions, but declassified documents suggest a more intriguing purpose, harnessing the power of miniature thermonuclear explosions for potential military applications. Despite its promising start, Project Panda encountered numerous setbacks due to the sheer complexity of controlling high-energy plasmas. By 1972, after 5 years and millions of dollars invested, the project was abruptly terminated without any clear explanation.